Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a white box, but it is a Mytune folding some sort of an optical lens. We're going to check this out here, and I'll show you guys what it is. So in the box, we get this. And this is it in here. It's very metal, very strong, and it's got a little screw in there. And how do we open it up? There, like this. So this is going to give us our little magnifier right there. So how cool is this? And we can put it all around like that. We can put something in its place in there. Oh, it's got the little measurement sides there, and then we can look through the magnifier on there. So if I put something in between it, do I have anything here? This barcode or whatever, you can see it magnifies it super, and it lights it up as it's doing it. It's really hard to see probably on the, I have studio lights and everything like that, but the concept is really sweet. So you can just have this little portable thing, and it's got the lights there. So anything you put it on, you can just see it zoomed in on it, and it lights up as well. And then when you're done with the light, you can turn it off. And then when you want it all folded back up again, it just folds up nice and small like that, goes in this little pouch, and you're good to go. So it's a nice portable little magnifier with a light on it. So very cool little device. I like it. Thumbs up.